Hello my friends, Rune again. Thought I should try out my old Umarex HDP50. This is the 11-year version. It has a tuning barrel and a muzzle protector from Home Defense 24, and also this push cap thing from homedefense24.com. I was thinking, by the way, I removed the restrictor so it is open. I was thinking about putting the T4E specials.com, the CIA micro stock on it. It also comes with a front part. But I think the pistol looks kind of bulky when I use it. You can be the judge of that. You slide it on. So this one is going to go all the way down into the frame, so you have to grip around this piece. But I think it looks a bit bulky. But this piece here acts as a speed loader, so you can put the balls in there. So, but as I said, I think I just use it without it. I will put on the stock, and to do so you need to remove that screw, that long thin screw you see sit here. And we need to push out a pin. I don't remember which pin. I think it's the bottom pin. Well, I do it off camera and then I show it to you when I've done it. So, put it together. Now I attach the sniper barrel from Home Defense 24. The stock, the cheek piece can be adjusted, high and low setting. I put it on the high setting. If you push in this button, you can adjust the stock length. It comes with a red dot sight. Yeah, quite cool. Very tactical. It has a sling mount here. You can also change the position, put it back here if you want to. So yeah, I thought okay, let's try it today. I haven't used it for a long time and I want to make a video. So, silicone spray. I think there is some left in the can there. Yes, looks like it. Let's take a little bit down there, and I also have some oil, silicone oil. Take another drop down there, another threads, etc. Always a good thing to lubricate. Umarex CO2 canister. Tip goes outwards. I did try at one time to use both the 12 gram hanging underneath and also use 88 gram canister. That gives a heck of a bang. So I think I tightened it too much, maybe. Yeah, put it like so. Let's load up some steel balls. I have some 12.5mm. They are 8 gram. 6 bolts, ready to rock and roll. If this kit fits the new Gen 2 version, I don't know, haven't tested it, because I have the tuning barrel on the Gen 1, the old HDP50. So let's see how it goes, let's see how it works, and what sort of chrono numbers we get. But it sure looks cool. Absolutely. Temperature is almost 22 degrees Celsius. I think that's 72 degrees Fahrenheit or something, 73 maybe. I just punctured the CO2 cap. I had to hit it several times before it finally punctured. But now it's gassed up. Let's extend the stock. Yeah, feels quite comfy. 8 gram steel bolts. Let's see how it goes. Trap tumbled over. 295. I remove the ball from the trap, since I don't want to shoot them on top of each other. Shot number 2. $322. That is quite okay for an 8 gram ball. $306. $301. Relatively stable velocity. $284. And there should be one more. $287. Let me load up 2 more. Two more bolts. $313. Suddenly a spike in velocity. And these are steel balls, not aluminium. $281. Interesting. Let me try and load up 2 more. If it can shoot these, we have 10 shots from 1 CO2 canister, which is very good. $273. There it starts to drop quite a bit. 241. Let me dry fire it. Yeah, that was one more time and it wouldn't recock. I had to pull the trigger several times for that last pop. Yeah. So yeah, works great. This is an uber cool pistol, and with tuning parts and that CIA micro kit make it look even better. Yes. So make sure you check out both homedefense24.com and t4especials.com. Yes. Very, very cool indeed. Okay. Hope you liked the video. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching.